What is good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me again, and today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I make around $100 a day passively, and I don't even need that much time. So yeah, let's get right into it. So let me explain you exactly what I do in a step plan. So first of all, what I do is I email a YouTuber one clip of their most popular video that I edited, and I tell them the pricing that you can watch in my old video. I explain everything into detail with the pricing, how to get paid and stuff. So I email them that. Then after that, when they respond, I start editing 6 clips a day for them, and they pay me around $10 to $20 for that. So yeah, let's get right into it. Let me show you exactly how I do it. So basically what I do is I edit for multiple YouTubers. I make them TikTok clips so they can grow their YouTube channel by growing their TikTok, and then their audience from TikTok goes to their YouTube audience. And yeah, that's basically how I do it. So what I'm gonna do is, let me show you exactly how I do it. So what I'll do is I'll go onto my For You page. I'll go onto my For You page and I'll just go scroll let's take this YouTuber. I'll go on his channel. He makes videos and stuff. Yeah, Kenny. And then I'll just go here, videos, popular, and here you can see his most popular video is the one that I clicked on from before. So once I secured that, I want to make sure that he has an Instagram account. And when I found out that he has an Instagram account, what I want to do is follow him, like some of his pictures. And after that, what I want to do is I want to go here onto this video. I want to download that shit, boom, onto this website, no audio here, boom, into 480p. It can be any, usually it tells you 1080p, but if the video is recorded in a low resolution, that's what it's going to tell you. Once I downloaded that video, what I want to do is I go on CapCut. Yeah, once I'm on CapCut, as you can see here, I edit clips for other YouTubers. You might know this guy, you might know this guy. Shout out to them. King Leak and this other guy, Casper. Shout out to them. And what you want to do is you want to make a new project. You want to go boom to your files. Then you want to import one of their clips. Then once it's edited, this is what's gonna happen. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look once it's edited. You're gonna want to boom, just play it. All I did is just add some clips and stuff, boom. As you can see, the subtitles are with AI. Here, the videos, and it takes like half an hour to 5 minutes to half an hour, depends on the video. I did get one Instagram DM, even though I did not get a lot of views on the video. How much time does it take to edit 6 videos a day? It takes me around an hour, 2 hours, maybe 3, and I could just do this for 10 YouTubers and put up the price a bit. Usually I charge $20 for this guy. I charged $10 for 6 videos, and yeah, that's basically what you want to do. If you guys want an exact tutorial on how to email these YouTubers, the perfect email to send them, or the perfect Instagram DM to send them, either you're gonna want to watch my old video, and if that doesn't help, make sure to comment down below exactly what you want to know. And also, I could show you how to edit this, guys. And yeah, stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram right here. I reply to all my DMs. I don't reply to emails or nothing, only to my DMs on Instagram. So yeah, here's my Instagram right there, somewhere here. And for the next video, you can click somewhere here is my video. And make sure to subscribe to the notifications, because next video I'm going to show you exactly what I do in a day so I can make $100 a day as a 14-year-old.